how to get 9 boxes on TikTok Live. So if you want to get 9 boxes on TikTok Live, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your TikTok application. Once you open up your TikTok, now you just need to simply go with the bottom plus or the bottom middle, which has that plus option. And here on the bottom, you may have post, story, or live option. You just need to simply go with live. And once you tap on live, it will ask you if you want to go live. You just need to simply tap on go live. In my case, I don't have much followers to have the live option. But if you have the live option, you just need to simply go live. Once you go live, on the bottom left, you will have the guest option. And after that, on the upper right side, you will have the settings option under your guest. You just need to simply go with settings and you will get 2 options on your layout, which is panel and grid. So if you want to have the 9 boxes, then you just need to simply go with the grid option. And that's it. That's how you can get 9 boxes on your TikTok Live. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.